welcome to Carolina Classic Cars. My name is David. Today we're going to look at a 2001 Ford F-150 Lightning. It's an SVT edition, supercharged. It's a one-owner truck. It's got 108,000 actual miles on it. It's fully loaded. Power windows, power door locks, leather interior, four-wheel disc brakes. Very nice truck. If you're in the market for one of these vehicles, this is the vehicle for you. Paint on it's original paint. Paint's in very good shape. And let me tell you, it's a very, very fast truck. But you can get the shot over here. We also have the window sticker where it sold you and the price it sold you for. Open the hood and let you look under the hood. It's got the 5.7 liter supercharged engine. Crank it up.